Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Hailuo AI subscription quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and visit the official Hailuo AI website. Click Log in the top right corner and sign in using the same email address or Google account you used when purchasing your subscription. Logging into the correct account is important because your subscription details are only available there. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture or account icon. From the menu, open Settings, Account, or Billing, depending on the version you're using. Next, look for the Subscription or Manage Plan section. Here you'll see your current plan, renewal date, and billing information. Click Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Hailuo AI may ask why you're leaving or offer you a discount to stay subscribed. If you've already decided to cancel, simply continue with the cancellation process. Carefully read the confirmation message before clicking the final Confirm Cancellation button. After that, your subscription should be marked as cancelled. In most cases, you'll still be able to use your premium features until the end of your current billing period, but future renewals will stop. To be safe, check your account again to make sure the subscription status now says cancelled, expires on, or renews off. You should also receive a confirmation email. Keep that email for your records. If you subscribe through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, remember that you must cancel the subscription from your Google Play or Apple subscription settings instead of the Hailuo AI website. That's it. Your Hailuo AI subscription has been cancelled successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.